Hello Internet. Here we have a 2020 Hyundai Tucson. Accident damage on a driver door, the body gone, shell, back door is also damaged. Start drive, apart from that damage there is no damage at all. Start drive, everything is fantastic. Just want to record the engine, how the engine sound. It's a very low mileage. You can check in there. It's only 3,934 miles. So it's almost brand new car, to be honest, just involved in accident. So let me to switch off the stereo now. Check. You might hear the noise of engine. Fantastic. It's brand new. It's just under 4,000 miles. So you got all the
which aim to save lives and promote positive mental health.
DAB radios, AM, FM, media. You can have aux, UBS, USB, and you got the sat nav, complete options. Oops, let me to go some.
Thousands. So far the totals.
Get some music. Sat nav.
You've already been helping us raise thousands, though. So far, the total is £501,836. Find out more at makesomenoise.com.
With AC, it's manual, 6-speed, cloth. Seats, almost everything is fantastic. So let's see the engine. So we hear the noise of engine from here. I'm gonna switch on the lights. And here the engine. It's GDI engine. I'm gonna put the full detail on description. What engine is here, what is the horsepower, what is the engine code, so you can hear the noise. Look how beautiful it's run. It's plenty life to this engine, plenty life to the engine. There is plenty parts available, so you can see the back, no noise. So anything you need, just give me a call and share and like it. Thank you.